Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of Mini Daily, and on today's episode we have a Temu haul and I'm going to do a small review on it and see what the bits are actually like. Now some bits are for cars and some bits are just tools that I kind of needed. So without further ado, we'll bring you in and let you have a look. Right, so what we got here is we got a set of H1 LED bulbs for the Golf. They don't fit. This part here is miles too big, so it won't even go through the hole. Now I've no idea how bright they are or anything like that. I haven't tested them yet. So we got a gear stick for the Mk4. Now it's lovely quality, feels really nice, smells nice. So we're going to fit that, see how easy it is to do. We have a set of poly bushes. Now these were I think 120. This was $5.95. These were 20 something euro, and then I got one of these magic Temu offers and I ended up getting these for €12. So €12 for a set of poly bushes isn't bad. They seem like they're nice quality. I don't know, haven't fitted them yet. I got these because you know yourself, the amount of times you need one in the car. It's handy for injecting fuel down bores and stuff like that and cleaning out. You can even use them kind of like an airline. You can, you know, a small lawnmower carburetor or something like that. Now these, I have been meaning to get myself a set of these for a long time, so we are going to have a quick look and see how easy they are. They're, anyone who doesn't know, it's those spring-loaded clamps that hold on radiator hoses and the likes of that, so we'll have a look at that then as well. Right, so as you can see here, the old gear stick, the reason I changed it is you can see all the chrome was peeling off of there. It's coming off with my nail, and there's a big hole on the side of it. So it's not doing bad for the 20 odd years it's been on it, but it's time to change it. Now I'm hoping I can do this with no tools because I'm at home and I have very little. So we'll see if this just lifts up. Okay. Yeah. So somebody's had a problem with this before. Someone has had a problem with this before and dubly clipped this on. So we'll pop that off. Now, the chrome bit, I don't mind if I snap taking it off. That's that out of the way. So I'll grab a flat screwdriver there and we'll take that off. As I said, my tools are limited here, so hopefully we'll be able to turn that. Nope. Right, time to see if I can find another screwdriver. And so it might help if I have the complete screwdriver. I doubt this is going to have enough strength to actually open it, but sorry, now it's hard to film and there we go. Let's see how easy this one is to fit. It doesn't seem to be gripping it. Doesn't seem to want to grip. Oh, it's gripped it now. See how it fits. Yeah, I can hear you shouting, clean around it first. It's fine. Yeah. 2 minutes and 8 seconds. I have to admit that is a vast improvement on what was there. Look, I'll bring you in closely. The state of that. For a fiver. I like that. So onto the other tool. Right, so here's the tool. I had to get an assistant. So what we're going to do is up here. So there's the tool. There's two little jaws on it. Look at that. How many times have you spent with vice grips and the likes trying to open them clamps just for it to do that? That was well worth the money. I think it was 11 or 12 euro. Now I'll have a look here and see if it'll do an extra radiator hose. There's a ratchet mechanism on this that it'll stay closed. So let's see if it'll open this. There you go. That's locked it in place. There's your hose open. Yep, but it's starting to leak coolant. So when you're finished, then you just push back in the. Ta-da! Absolutely well worth the money. Bargain. Right guys, what did you think of the video? If you did like it, hit the like button, give us a comment, consider giving us a subscribe. Again, over half my return on viewers aren't subscribed. Doesn't cost anything, just press the button for me, massively helps the channel. What did you think of the products? Now I am going to fit the bushes in another full video because there's a bit of work involved in taking them off, and that's, we'll do a how-to on that. Now that's not going to be in the next video. I have some free time, so next week I am going to put out 2 or 3 different videos on the Morris, the Mini, and we'll do a little bit of work to the Mark II as well. So thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.